A very good morning, students. We are taking this time chapter 9, Madam Rides the Bus. And this chapter is being taken thoroughly in classrooms, as you will be knowing that many students of your class, they are coming and attending the school. So we have started already this chapter in the class. Today, I just give you some brief description of the story. That this story is about a small girl whose name is Willie. Willie, she had no friend and she had no other source of entertainment. So, what she used to do, she used to stand every day at her doorstep and seeing going and coming buses from her door. So let's read first paragraph. There was a girl named Walemming who was called Wali for short. Wali Ammai is the name of this girl. Her short name was Wali. Wali is her short name. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Means she had some sort of excitement or curiosity to know about things. So what she does, how does she spend her day? We read here her favorite pastime was standing in the front door way of her house, watching that what was happening in the street outside. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. But for Wali, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. She used to see different passengers every time. Means each time bus will fill passengers and they will get down at the town, and afterwards again bus used to come back to her town, to her village. So that was her best pastime. She every time means after when other children they used to play with among themselves, she did not find any enjoyment with them. So what she used to do, first of all, of her age, there were no means friends or children on her street. So she always used to stand in the front doorway so that she could see every passenger, everyone coming and going from or those who were passing through that street. She used to see that how people are catching bus, and different type of people are wearing different dress. She used to see children of her age, how they are being carried by their parents. So everything she used to see, and that was a very good experience she every day used to have. On next paragraph, we see the most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, means after each hour the bus will come and go. Once going to the town and once coming back. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Wali. She used to see every passenger, and it was very much fascinating thing for her that each time bus will come with new passengers, with new experiences. She would see that passengers they are shouting, and some patients running and catching the bus. It felt like some different source of entertainment in her life. And this seeing this situation, and she found herself also very much interested in taking ride in that bus. So she also decides that I will also take a ride. Why the title of this story is Madam Rides Bus? Because when she takes ride, when she get opportunity to climb on the bus, she behaves the day like a mature girl, mature woman, even we can say. She doesn't allow even conductor to touch her hand. She goes there and she takes ride, and she means does not move from her place. And whatever her friend she had told about the journey, she experienced that thing also. She feels that whatever her friend has told her, that is also came true. And she feels that it is not very much unsafe if you are safe, or if you just find out the ways, and if you know that how to take care of yourself, if you are more conscious and cautious, then nobody can harm you. So this after reading this story, we just come to know about a small girl. If she has sense of humor, if she can understand the situation, if before miss this also we learn through this lesson, that this small girl, she takes experience, and without experience she does not take ride. Once she was very much sure, and she assured herself that now she is safe and she can take ride. Before that she saved some money for taking ride, and she contact few people. She comes to know that how bus starts and how much time it takes to come back to the place. She makes sure first of all everything, that and she assured herself that now she is able to manage this ride, then only she takes that ride. We'll continue this chapter on next turn. And I just want you to make paragraph based questions and write down little bit about, uh, or you can do one thing, you can write an article. Okay, write an article on the same topic, how a bus journey be more interesting for you. This may be the topic. Okay, write down the topic, and those who are attending regular classes in the school, I want to see this article in their notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.